Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to import data one sheet to another sheet in spreadsheet or Google Sheet. I want to in column data to import to other sheet. Let's do it. I want to this column data to import this column. Okay, so for this we have to use a formula which name is import range. So type import and you can see here import range exists. Now the criteria is double quote, then the criteria is a spreadsheet URL which you want to import the data, which is spreadsheet. Like I want to import this data and this is the URL of this spreadsheet. So I have to copy this URL, or you can only copy this one also. This is a unique code. So I paste here and double quote, then comma, and again double quote. Then the next thing is you want to import this data, right? So what is the name of the sheet? The name of this sheet is report. So I have to type here report. Then which column you want to import. Like this column is in, I want to whole in column data to import. So in the end quote, close the bracket and press enter. See, this come. If you want to write here 1000, 10,000, 6,200, all this data will come here. See, pretty cool, right? And now I want to sum of this data. What is the sum of this data? Okay, I want to import this sum of this data from this set. So for this I have to type sum, then type import range, and the same thing, double quote, copy the URL, paste here, double quote, comma, then again double quote, name of the sheet is report, and the column is into comma in, double quote, close the bracket, press enter. See, this is the total of this closing stock. If you see that sum of this stock is 20856 and here is 20856. That's pretty cool, right? So that's all for today. I make this video on the rooftop so that you can enjoy this video with fresh wine. Thank you very much.